Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've made a video, and yeah, I don't know, sorry about that, but the car scene kind of like just totally shut down at the end of the year, and I had a lot of stuff going on in my life, so yeah, I just I haven't even picked up my camera in 2 months, which is really weird. Anyways, as you can tell by the title and from the box in front of you, that I did get another model for Christmas. Not me, but it was given to me as a gift. Yeah, so it's finally here. It came late, but you know, that happens. So anyways, the model was shipped to my parents' house, so unfortunately I do not have my glass display cases here, so I will not be showing it in the display case. We're just going to be opening it and then just looking at it on its mount that it comes on. But yeah, so you can tell from the title that it is a Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, which is super cool. I plan on getting an attack to go alongside it eventually. They're expensive, so don't know when that'll happen, but yeah, anyways, let's get this open and just see how it looks. I've been waiting very anxiously for this thing to arrive, so I'm excited to see how it looks. I haven't bought a new Koenigsegg model in a long time, so yeah, this thing came super duper packaged, which is nice because it's an expensive model. But yeah, let's see if we can get all this taken care of. Gotta cut this part as well. Okay. Alright. So, I don't know what that's for. So it came with a lot of bubble wrap. Jeez. Looks like we're just gonna flip this over and catch it as it comes out. There we go. Man, this thing is really safely packaged. It's kind of crazy, actually. Let's just cut this. And this. Jeez, man, this thing is, wow. It is so securely packaged. Not that I'm complaining, it's just, man. It's like almost impossible to get out. I'm gonna have to just cut this bubble wrap. This is crazy. I have never seen a diecast package this, like, thoroughly before. I mean, this is nuts. Man. Jeez. And then they have another cardboard thing around. Dude, this is crazy. Man. This packaging is insane. Okay, finally. And they also covered the car. Wow. Okay. Well, as you can see, GT Spirit is the brand. We have more stuff to get off. Just cut this. Man. All right. So now in theory, can pull that sleeve off. And now I think we should be able to just open it. So let's grab the base. Oh, interesting. Okay. So, alright, so here's the box. It's pretty standard, but good quality. Alright, so now we have more tape and some styrofoam. I have to do this very gently. Yeah, they really wrap this thing up. This honestly might be the most securely packaged thing I have ever gotten, like, ever. Not just a diecast, but like anything, because this is just crazy. This is like almost overkill. I mean, I get it, you can never be too safe, but jeez. Oh, come on, man. That's what I mean. This is like almost annoying how wrapped this is. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so let's continue. What is this, a napkin? Toilet paper? I don't know. Something. Oh, come on. Jeez. Wow. Okay, so there it is. That is the profile of the Jesko Absolut. Man, that looks really, really nice. Let's get an over top view. Yeah, that's awesome. Man. Wow, that is nice. So like I said, since I don't have my display cases, I'm just gonna leave it on its the display thing that it came on. Eventually I will obviously put it in my display case, and when I do that I will show you what that looks like. But for now, this is what we're doing. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So I think the idea is it's either supposed to be exposed carbon or just gray with the orange. It looks pretty good if you ask me. Yeah, it's definitely a really, really nice model. I mean, look at that. That is, wow. That looks really, really good. Man. Cool. That's gonna look sweet next to an attack version one day. Well, yeah, unfortunately, like I said, don't have the display case, so this is kind of all I got for today, but yeah, man. That is super, super nice. If my camera could focus on it, that'd be nice. No? Cool, guess not. Anyways, so yep, this is the Absolute version. We'll get an attack one day, but until then, I don't know. I do plan on filming some videos in 2024, obviously when car season starts. I don't know if it'll be as heavily involved as previous years. I don't know. I'm kind of going through a, not midlife crisis, but just a change in my life. So, yeah. We'll see what happens, but either way, still plan on doing some stuff, so stay tuned, I guess. And yeah, I don't know. This model is really, really cool. I don't know how much it was because it was a gift, so I can't really answer that, but it's GT Spirit, so you could probably just Google it and find out. So anyways, that's it. That's my newest 118. And it's easily one of my favorites. It is amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.